Hey, I'm Max, and over the last 3 months, I've been building on Chart Pizza, a tool that lets you build charts in Notion. And this was always a feature that was missing for me in Notion. So I'm tracking a lot of productivity stuff like my gym progress, like weight, habits, and so on. And charts were just always missing. And there are some third-party tools out there, but I didn't really like them. And as a developer, I thought, okay, let's just code this myself. However, bad news. Just yesterday, Notion announced that they were support charts soon, so coming soon, as you can say here. So basically, I can screw my project, but instead of just throwing it away, I thought I'm just gonna do a quick, like, so to say, summary, what could have been breakdown on what I've built. So that's what this video is going to be about. So this is like just the website. It's in Notion. I like to build like my demo sites in Notion because I can just do it really quick. So this is sign in. Let's sign in with our Notion account, and after signing in, we will be presented with a dashboard link. And let's just copy that and paste that into our Notion Notion application and a page. And this is our dashboard, so it's not styled super well. I was just about to focus on getting my first test users, but whatever. So we can have these databases here, and let's create or pick one from our Notion workspace. So I'm going to pick my journal database that for example, I track my weight in for my gym progress, and now we get the embed link here. And this is the embed link for that specific database. We can obviously copy it multiple times, but yeah, so, and now we can create a chart here. So since this is going to be about my gym progress, or yeah, I'll just call this gym progress since we're tracking our weight. And let's take a lifter here, and we have a line chart, so properties and our X axis, we're going to take date, and then on the y-axis our weight goal and our weight, and we're going to sort this by date. So let's do that. And slice 6, so this is when we have it. Formatting on the y-axis is in kilogram, and let's do that a bit bigger. So these are the dates under there. I didn't fix that. You know, there's some UI issues. But overall it works really well. Oh, we can see sometimes here I miss to track my weight, so we can tick the bridge gaps thing. And yeah, now we have our chart. So this is from a Notion database. I can probably quickly show that one. Let me see. Right, this is our journal. So this is where I track my weight, and then here with like 75 kilograms, 76.5, and so on. And this is the resulting chart, and you know, we can also go in dark mode, refetch it. We can share that thing. We can also create multiple charts on the same database. I'm gonna do go with one more quick example with a wheel of life. So let's do that with a radar chart. Create embed. And let's go with layout radar chart. Properties on the y-axis we have the name, and then the fulfillment on the other axis, and this will be our like wheel of life tracker. And for the range we have a max of 10, so 10 points, like okay, we are really satisfied with that area, and 0 would be okay, we're not satisfied at all. And yeah, so that's my quick demo of this product that no one will need anymore. But yeah, I mean, the good news is I can do a new product now. Let's see what that will be. Thank you.